Good morning, traders. We had amazing trades on all the yen pair, bank amazing profits. So this is the dollar yen. So this morning, let me share with you how I analyze the market and explain my traders more detail and bank amazing profit. And some of the traders are still holding short, but let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. But if you look at the 4 hour chart, so this morning pretty straightforward as explained to my trader. Looks here the price broken this major support level. So pretty straightforward after this breakout. We were expecting a pullback short trade here, so that's the entry we were looking at. And how I analyze the entry in intraday, that's the more important part of it, and that's what we did this morning. You can see here just before London open, as explained to my trader, look for price more likely is developing a head and shoulder pattern. But even if you look at the 4 hour, price develop a head and shoulder pattern, so we were expecting a huge drop. So based on this analysis, as soon as the price broken this 200 EMA, you can see here at this level, pretty straightforward. You can see here price broke on this level, and afterwards if you look at the momentum, bearish momentum, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now it's time to enjoy short trade here from this level, and afterwards, as explained, my trader just keep taking all this pullback as long as the momentum is bearish. Once the price hit to the profit target, which is the 4 hour, if you look at here around 200 EMA, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but you're going to enjoy this analysis when you see it live instead of review. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best, guys.